You already practiced. No? Mm-hmm. Hey, so you know more than you think.
I feel like I forgot everything. What if my mind goes blank again? Then start again slowly. And that's correct. My hand is still shaking a little.
That's perfectly all right. Just take your time.
Today, I have to go to the bank alone. What will happen? I don't know. Speak slowly. Okay? Okay, Mom, if I don't understand, I can ask again. I just need to stay calm. I know I can handle every situation. Hello, I need some help today. I want to open an account.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that.
Thank you. I'm ready. Sorry, this is my first time here alone. Please let me have everything this time. Wait, did I forget one paper again? Huh? That was too close. Everything is here. Oh, it has to be here. God, please help me. I hope nothing difficult happens today. Just go there. Listen carefully. And answer one thing at a time. The bank is near the market. Left at the pharmacy, huh? Then straight ahead. I hope I'm not going the wrong way. Hello. I need some help. No, better. I want to open an account. That's the bank. That's the bank. Everyone looks so normal. Why do I feel like I'm going into an exam? Everyone here looks like they know exactly what to do. I'm scared, but I'm still going. Okay, no turning back now. Oh, it's so quiet in here. Oh, I see. We'll leave here. I need to do that first. At least this part is easy. Please let my turn go well. B7. Okay, I'm B17. I just have to wait now. Don't leave my brain now, please. Uh-oh. No, they really are speaking English. No, I practiced this. Oh, I know these words. I feel like I forgot everything. What if my mind goes blank again? Then start again slowly.
Are you okay, dear? You look very nervous.
Oh, it's my first time here alone. I have to speak in English and I'm really scared.
Mm-hmm. That's completely okay. Many people feel nervous in banks. My mind goes blank when I get scared. Start with one short sentence. Speak slowly. After that, the next words will come.
That actually helps.
You already practiced. No? Mm-hmm. Hey, so you know more than you think. You already practiced. No? Mm-hmm. Hey, so you know more than you think.
Maybe I can really do this.
B17, please go to counter 3.
Hello? How can I help you today? Hi, I'd like to open a new account. Of course, I can help you with that. Just one short sentence. Please give me a moment. I am feeling nervous. Please give me a moment. I'm trying to stay calm. Wait, I thought I brought it with me. I found this one, but I'm not really sure. Let me check it for you. Is something wrong? No, everything is fine. One last check. Yes, I do. Here it is. I think I'm a little calmer now. That's good to hear. Just take your time. Thank you. I appreciate it. Do you also have proof of address? I'm sorry, what does that mean? A paper that shows your home address, like a bill. Oh, yes, I think I have that. Here it is. Will this work? That feels much better. Please tell me your full name. My name is Emily Parker. Parker is my last name. Now, what is your phone number? 03081. All right, is that correct? Yes, that's correct. And that's correct. My hand is still shaking a little.
That's perfectly all right. Just take your time. That happens to many people. You're doing very well. Your application is complete.
I thought it would be much harder. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. You did a good job today.
Is it really done already? I thought it would take longer. I really did it. Thank you for helping me.
You did it yourself.
Oh no, I almost took the bank's pen. My first solo bank trip is already memorable.
If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English videos.